All right, welcome to Math Replay. I'm your teacher, Mr. Chavez. This is episode 1, and today we're going to replay place value through billions. But before we get started, let's go over a few terms. Over here on the left-hand side, the vocabulary, let's say with me, expanded form, standard form, word form, digits, place value, and period. All right, now in the place value chart, we have 4 periods. Say with me, ones period, thousands period, millions period, and billions period. Now contained within the periods there are 3 place values each. In the ones period there's the ones, tens, hundreds. In the thousands period there's the thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s. And in the millions period there's the millions, 10 millions, and 100 millions. And the billions period there's billions, 10 billions, and 100 billions. Now as far as these terms right here highlighted in yellow, let's go over them quickly. Expanded form simply means you want to take the number and break it up into its place values. So this number, 4,539,000,000, looks like this. A 4 with 9 zeros plus 5 with 8 zeros and a 3 with 7 zeros and a 9 with 6 zeros. So 4,500,000,000 plus 30 million plus 9 million. Now standard form is simply an equivalent to saying the number form. So in this case, the number is simply written out, and we call that standard form. Now, word form is simply what it says. When you take the number and you spell it out in words, such as 4,539,000,000, as you can see, it's all spelled out. All right, now that's a quick review. Let's get down to some work. Let's see if we can give you an example of another number in the billions place, and let's write it up here. Let's say that's 5,339,762,435. Okay, let's take this number that happens to be in standard form and let's write it in expanded form. We want to make it look like this here. So let's start in the billions place. That'll be 5 billion plus 300 million plus 30 million plus 9 million plus 700,000 plus 60,000, right? Plus 2,000 plus 400 plus 30 plus 5. Now the next step is we want to take this number in expanded form and place it in word form. Now it may take a moment, but bear with me. So we want to spell the word out. 5 billion 339,000,000, right? 762. As you notice, I'm spelling everything out. That's 762,000. And our last step is 435. All right, now let's go over a quick review. Some of the most important terms are expanded form, standard form, and word form. Now, expanded form, if you recall, it means that when you take the number, you want to break it up into its place values. Standard form is simply the number written in number form, and word form is when you take the number and you spell it out. All right? All right, that's our lesson for today. I'll see you next time on Math Replay.